Hello! Let me show you how to translate phrase Memsource files using your own glossary and also using your own specific instructions. So let's get into it. So here I have my phrase, or formerly Memsource file, which I would like to translate from English into Spanish using Bohemicus, using the ChatGPT-5 translation engine, and using my own glossary and also my own custom instructions. So what I can do is to minimize phrase. Let's go to the folder with my file, with my phrase Memsource file. And let's open Bohemicus. And first of all, we would need to set it up a little bit. So first of all, let's set up the source language, which should be English. You can select from the menu here, or you can simply type your language. So typing just 2 or 3 first letters is enough. So let's choose English, and the same with Spanish. So let's type SP and we get Spanish. We also want to use ChatGPT, so click here. And then also we want to set it up to use ChatGPT-5 Nano. It's already selected, but if it's not selected, you can select it here. And then we would like to use our own glossary. So let's go to this glossary tab. And for this, I have already prepared my glossary in Excel. So I can go to my Excel. I can select all of my glossary entries, and I can simply copy them into clipboard by pressing Ctrl+C. Ctrl+C pressed. So let's go back to Bohemicus. Let's minimize Excel and let's go back to Bohemicus. And you go back into this box and you just paste it here by pressing Ctrl+V like this. And also, I'd like to specify my own custom instructions, which I can do on this tab right here. I have already specified something, just a simple instruction, use formal voice, but you can specify your own instructions. It's just up to you. So once you have done this, you can click Save. And then you would go to this Trados/Cats tab, and simply back to your folder with your phrase file, and you would simply drag and drop it onto Bohemicus. And now it's very simple. Simply click this translate button here. ChatGPT-5 is fairly slow, so we need to wait a little bit now. Alright, so it looks like it's been translated. So let's go to our file. Let's double click it and see what's inside. And as you can see, everything is nicely translated into Spanish, including the formatting. So this is how you translate your phrase files using ChatGPT-5. So thank you for watching and see you in another video.